Dear students, I am Raman Singh. In previous class, I have explained you about what is a fraction, about numerator and denominator. Now today we can learn about fractions on the number line. So here 2/5, in this 2/5 we can read it 2/5. Here fraction number is given here 2 upon 5. We have to represent these fractions on the number line. For that, suppose I have taken here 1 unit, 1 0, here 1 0, this one is 1. 1 को हम कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे? यहाँ जो डिनोमिनेटर दिया हुआ है उसको जितने 5 है तो हम पहले इस नंबर को 5 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड, इक्वल 5 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे. सो हियर 1 2 3 4 एंड 5. तो आपका हुआ 1 2 3 4 5 पार्ट्स हो गए. अब 5 पार्ट्स में से जहाँ पे हमने डिवाइड किया उसको लिखते हैं 1/5. दिस वन इज 2/5, दिस वन इज 3/5 एंड दिस 4/5 एंड द लास्ट वन इज 5/5. जहाँ पे 1 है उसके नीचे 5/5 मीन्स होल पूरा नंबर जो आपका आ जाता है जिसे हम कहते हैं 1. अब इसको हमने दिया था 2/5, तो ये आपका 2/5 यहाँ पे है, तो ये रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया हमने नंबर लाइन के ऊपर. सेम थिंग बी क्वेश्चन है 1/4 मीन्स फ्रैक्शनल नंबर इज 1/4. हियर इज डिनोमिनेटर इज 4. So first of all we divide one number 0 to 1 into 4 parts. So 1 2 3 and 4. Now 1 here 1/4, this is 2/4, this 3/4 and where is written 1 we can write 4/4 is equal to 1 means whole number पूरा 1 आपका divide हो गया in 4 parts. So question is 1/4. So 1/4 is here. We can circle this on the number line. 1/4 is this one. Now the next one is types of fraction. Next part is types of fraction. In types of fraction, we can learn first like fraction and unlike fraction. Like and unlike fraction. Here is types of fractions. First one is like fraction. Fractions which have same denominator is called like fractions. For example, suppose 3/4, 1/4, 2/4. This here we can see denominator is same. So this type of fractions are called like fractions. Now second one is unlike fraction. In this, which fractions having different denominators? For example, suppose here 2/5, 3/6, 5/7 like that. So we can see here denominator is 5, 6, 7. All are different. So these are called unlike fractions. Which fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. Now for that you can easily identify 3/4 here is and 4/5. Now you can tell me which type of fractions is this is like or unlike, because 3/4 denominator is here 4 and here is 5. So this is unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. Now suppose I have given written here 4/6 2 upon 6. So this is which type of fraction? Because here denominator are same, both have 6 in the place of denominator, so we call it like fraction. So I think you understand about this. Like fraction means which fractions having same denominator, they are called like fractions. Unlike fractions, which fractions having different denominators, they are called unlike fractions. Now next one is comparison between comparison of like fractions. Comparison of like fractions. Third one is comparison between of like fractions. Here suppose I have written 7 upon 15 and 8 upon 15. Now when like fractions are, here is these are like fractions, and this we have to check numerator. In numerator which one is smaller, they are smaller, and which one is greater, they are greater. So here 7 and 8, which one is greater? 8. So 8 upon 15 are greater. So these are in like fractions, we have to check the numerator portion. Smaller number is smaller and bigger number is bigger. According that we can check the fraction. One example here I am giving. Suppose I have written here 9 upon 10 and here is 4 upon 10. So which one is greater, 9 or 4? So 9 upon 10 is greater because denominator are same. So next one, according that we can arrange. Next one is arrange in ascending order. Next question is arrange like fraction in ascending order. Arrange like fractions in ascending order. In this, suppose I have given you questions 1 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 2 upon 6. Now we have to arrange in ascending. Ascending means smallest to greatest. We have to arrange this number in smallest to greatest, according to smallest to greatest. So in this denominators are same, so these are the like fraction. So we can check the numerator portion. Here which one is smaller? 1, 4, 5, 3, 2. So 1 is smaller, so we can write here answer 1 upon 6. Now next one is 2 upon 6. Another one is 3 upon 6. Then 4 upon 6. And the last one is 5 upon 6. Now we can see here 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6. So we can write here in ascending order, smallest to greatest. So now next one is arrange like fractions in descending order. Next one is descending order. One question here, 2 upon 8, 4 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 6 upon 8 and 7 upon 8. Now we can arrange this fraction into descending. Descending means greatest to smallest. So in this we can check here numerator portion. Which one is the greater number in this? 2, 4, 3, 6 and 7. So 7 is greater. So we can write first 7 upon 8, then 6 upon 8, next one is 4 upon 8, then 3 upon 8 and last one is 2 upon 8. We can compare this number 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. According that we can arrange this number. Here also we can see 7 upon 8, then 6 upon 8, 4 upon 8, 3 upon 8 and 2 upon 8, means greatest to smallest. We arrange this number in greatest to smallest. So these are the number. I think you understood about the like fraction. Like fraction means which fractions having same denominator are called like fractions. Thank you.